In the 7th chapter of the Gita, the Supreme Soul began a journey of divine thoughts through Gnan Vignam Yog, the yoga of knowledge and science. In the 8th chapter, the Supreme Soul explained the root concepts of metaphysics, such as what Brahman is, what Dharma is, what spirituality is, etc. In the 9th chapter, Sri Krishna described Raj Vidya Raj Guya Yoga, the yoga of the royal knowledge and the royal secret, which is the king of all knowledge and the most secret of all secrets. And in the end, the journey of thoughts of Raj Vidya Raj Guya Yoga, the yoga of royal knowledge and the royal secret, reached Matvarayana Naha, with me as your goal, which we discussed at the end of the 9th chapter. The Supreme Soul said that this is the peak, that the royal knowledge is having the Supreme Soul as your goal, and the royal secret is having the Supreme Soul as your goal. When one has God as their goal, then they reach God. Parayana can be split into para, meaning great, and ayana, meaning nest. Sri Krishna talked about the great states, where one's final goal is the nest of the Supreme Soul. Even after saying all of this, God still felt as if he had something left to say. The Supreme Soul is describing his vibhuti, divine manifestations, completely out of love. If you look at it one way, then there is no reason for the Lord to say what he said to Arjuna at the beginning of this 10th chapter. If I were to say it in different words, then the Supreme Soul was still not yet saturated, talking about and describing the greatness of this subject. Great saints explain to us by comparing this to the situation where one is listening to something from their loved one, and listener is not yet saturated from listening to their loved one. The speaker is also not yet saturated from listening to the words of God. And just like the devotee is not saturated from listening to the Supreme Soul is not yet saturated from speaking to his loved one. When there is a devotee like Arjuna in front of the Supreme Soul, then the Supreme Soul also does not get saturated while describing this to him. The Supreme Soul begins the 10th chapter himself. We will now see what the Supreme Soul says in the first verse.